Good morning kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing great at your home. I'm Khushbu Patel from Saraswati Group of Education and I'm going to take your computer subject. Now, in the last session of a computer, we have just taken the information about the fundamental things of a computer. That what are the parts of computer, where it is used, what are the characteristics of a computer, and comparison of a computer with human. After that, we have also studied a few things about input and output device as well as hardware and software. Now, today I am going to start the explanation of this chapter. But before we start the explanation, it is very much necessary to understand the hard words of this chapter, right? Because these words are new to you. So it is very much necessary to understand that pronunciation as well as the meaning of it. So I will present a small presentation before you of the vocabulary words, right? So you will come to know the pronunciation and the meaning of it, right? So are you all ready to see the presentation? Yes? Let us start. Chapter number 1, Computer, Software and its Type. Now, let's take a look at the vocabulary words of this chapter. What is our first word? Our first word is hardware. What is the meaning of a hardware? Let us see. The part of a computer which we can touch or feel, such as mouse, keyboard, monitor, etc. That means the part of a computer which you can touch and you can feel, right? That is known as hardware of the computer, like mouse, keyboard, monitor, printer and many more. See the picture of it. These all are the parts of computer which you can touch, right? Understood? Shall we go to the next word? Let's go to the next word. What is our next word? It is software. What is the meaning of it? The part of a computer which we cannot touch or feel, such as Paint, MS Word, etc. That means the program which is inside the computer you cannot touch, you can only see, right? Say for example, you have opened Paint program. You can draw drawings in it, but you cannot touch that drawing. So, the untouchable part, right, is known as what? Software. See the pictures of all the software here, right? Now, let us go to the next word. What is our next word? See here. Our next word is processor. What is the meaning of processor? See, a computer program that puts another program into a form acceptable to the computer. That means computer has its own language to understand, right? Whatever we are typing, that will be converted into computer language, right, in the processor, okay, so that computer can understand. Okay, now see the picture of it. It is a small part of a processor, right? Now, let's go to the next word. What is our next word? It is utility. Now see, utility means usefulness, જે આપણને ઉપયોગી થાય એ. But here in the computer language, utility means the quality or state of being useful. That means the software which is useful to us for performing a task in the computer. That is known as what? Utility, or you can say utility software. See the picture of the software which is helpful to us. Understood? Yes? Shall we go to the next word? Let's go to the next word. What is that? Interface. How will you pronounce it? Interface. Right? What is the meaning of it? A device or program enabling a user to communicate with a computer. Right? Okay. That means if we want to communicate with a computer, right, if we want to work on a computer, we require a device. That device is called as interface. What is it called as? Interface. What is the meaning of it? Right? Do you understand the meaning? A device or a program. Right? Here you can see there are three components which are interconnected. That means they will interface with each other. Right? Understood? Let's go to the next word. What is the next word? It is Python. How will you pronounce it? Python. The meaning of Python in English, it is a name of an animal. અજગર જેને આપણે કહીએ છીએ. But here for computer, it is a high level general purpose programming language. It is a one language, or you can say it is a coding language. Right? See here. Okay, you can give a command in the form of a code, right, and you can make a new software. So that is Python language. Okay, now clear? Shall we go to the next word? Let's go to the next word. What is that? It is assembler. It is what? Assembler. What is the meaning of it? A program for converting instructions written in low-level symbolic code into machine code. Now see, computer is a machine which cannot understand our language. So whatever we are typing, that should be converted into computer language, which is also known as machine language. So for that converting process, we require one program. It is known as what? Assembler. What is it? Assembler. See here, right? Assembly code, that means our language, and machine code. Between that, assembler is fixed, which is converting the language into one another. Right? Now, let's go to the next word. What is that? It is compiler. It is also similar to the assembler. What is the meaning of it? A program that converts instructions into a machine code or lower level form so that they can be read and executed by a computer. Now assembler is converting the language into machine code, right? But how can we see that on the computer screen? We can see it with the help of compiler. Right? Executed matlab apanne dekhai che. Right? So it can be done with the help of compiler. You can see the picture of it. Okay. Clear? Shall we go to the next one? Let's go. What is that? Interpreter. How will you pronounce it? Interpreter. Now, the meaning of it is a program that can analyze and execute a program line by line. That means whatever the command we have given to the computer, with the help of assembler and compiler, it will convert into the machine code, and then it will execute it on the screen line by line. એટલે જેટલું આપણે લખ્યું છે એ લાઇન વાઇઝ આપણને દેખાશે. એ શેના થ્રુ થાય? Interpreter. Now see the meaning of it, right? High level language, machine language, and in between we have interpreter. It is a simple meaning through which you can understand what is interpreter. And here it is a picture, right? Let's go to the next word. What is that? It is antivirus. You may have heard this word, antivirus. What is the meaning of it? A software designed to detect and destroy computer viruses. Now see kids, when you are attaching your mobile to the computer, when you are attaching CD or when you are attaching pen drive, or you are using internet more on your computer, there are the chances કે virus આવી જાય which can destroy some programs of the computer. So it is very much needed to install the antivirus. Antivirus તમે અંદર નાખો એટલે કોઈ પણ ફાઇલ તમારા કમ્પ્યુટરમાંથી ડિલીટ થાય નહીં, ડિસ્ટ્રોય ન થાય. So antivirus is needed. You can see the picture of it, right? When you install antivirus in it, our PC is protected, right? Surakshit છે. Fine. Shall we go to the next word? Let's go. What is that? Defragmenter. How will you pronounce it? Defragmenter. What is the meaning of it? Defragmentation, which is also known as defrag or defragging, is the process of reorganizing the data stored on the hard drive so that related pieces of data are put back together. That means કોઈ પણ ડેટાને સરખી રીતના ગોઠવવા માટે એક પ્રોસેસ કરવી પડે છે. એ પ્રોસેસને શું કહેવાય? Defragmentation. What is that process known as? It is known as defragmentation. Right? You can see the picture of it. Blue line જે તમને દેખાય છે એ બધું શું છે? તો કે ડેટાને વ્યવસ્થિત અરેન્જ કરે છે. Right? Understood? Let us go to the next word. What is that? It is backup. Backup means another copy, right? To keep. What is the meaning of it? A copy of computer data taken and stored elsewhere so that it may be used to restore the original after a data loss event. Suppose you have taken a picture in your mobile, બરાબર? પણ ઘણી વખત મોબાઈલમાંથી ડિલીટ ભૂલથી થઈ જાય તો it is better to keep one extra copy somewhere else. એટલે ઘણી વખત આપણે એને સીડીમાં લઈએ છીએ અથવા તો ઘણી વખત એને કમ્પ્યુટરમાં નાખી દઈએ છીએ, right? So keeping a one extra copy of your data, right? It is known as what? Backup, right? તો ક્યારે પણ આપણા ડેટા લોસ થઈ જાય તો we can have the other copy, right? See here. These all are the instrument in which you can store your backup file, right? Shall we go to the next word? Let's go. What is that? It is spreadsheet. What is that? Spreadsheet. Now see the meaning of it. A spreadsheet is also known as a worksheet. It is used to record, calculate and compare numerical or financial data. It is something like a worksheet. It has row and column, right? And in which you can put your data. See the picture of it. It's a simple worksheet, right? Clear? Are you understanding everything? Yes. Let's go to the next word. What is our next word? It is oracle. How will you pronounce it? Oracle. What is the meaning of it? A name of a software to maintain the records like students' information, books, customers' record, etc. It is actually a software name, right? In which you can maintain the different record, right? It's a oracle. See here, it's a machine, right? કે જ્યાં બધા data store થાય છે, બરાબર? Oracle software નું નામ છે, but in the picture it is a machine where all the Oracle data are stored, right? Yes. Let's go to the next word. What is that? Animation, right? હવે તમે બધા કાર્ટૂન જોવો છો. You can see that the characters of the cartoons are moving. Why it is moving? See here. A way of making a movie by using a series of drawings, computer graphics, or photographs of objects like puppets or models that are slightly different from one another. ઘણા બધા ફોટાને એક સાથે રાખી અથવા પપેટ્સને એક સાથે રાખીને એને હલાવવું ચલાવવું, that is known as what? Animation. As you can see here, અત્યાર સુધી જેટલા આપણે પિક્ચર્સ જોયા બધા સ્ટેબલ હતા. Now you can see that one character is walking. That is what? Animation. Right? Understood? Let's go to the next word. What is that? Interactive. How will you pronounce it? Interactive. Allowing a two-way flow of information between a computer and a computer user, responding to a user's input. Right? Means two-way communication. If you are installing any application in your computer, right? Like any education application. So when you speak, the person who is there on the other side can communicate with you. તમારી સાથે વાતચીત કરી શકે, right? Respond કરી શકે. એને શું કહેવાય? Interactive. See here, right? Everybody is connected with each other. So it is what? Interactive. Clear? Shall we go to the next word? Let's go. What is that? Presentation. What is the meaning of it? A speech or talk in which a new product, idea, or piece of work is shown and explained to an audience. Right? A simple presentation. Right now I am also showing you the presentation of a hard words. તમારી idea, તમારી વાત દેખાડવાની જે method છે, that is known as what? Presentation. See here. Right? You can have a different type of presentation. Research articles, research papers, business, students, anything, right? Okay, so shall we go to the next word? Yes, let's go. What is that? Organization. What is that? Organization. What is the meaning of it? The action of organizing something, right? કંઈ પણ વસ્તુને વ્યવસ્થિત ગોઠવવી એને શું કહેવાય? Organization, right? See the picture. Here it is the basic organization of a computer. Now see, in the spelling of organization, you can put either S or Z, right? Both are correct. Okay, so to organize something is known as organization, right? Understood? Shall we go to the next word? Yes, let's go. What is that? Customized. How will you pronounce it? Customized. What is the meaning of it? Something which is designed for special purpose. Say for example, you are designing a one cover of your iPad on which you are writing your name. એ જે આઈપેડનું કવર છે એની ઉપર તમે તમારું નામ લખાવો છો, એવું ડિઝાઇન કરાવો છો, તો એને શું કહેવાય? Customized, right? As here in the picture you can see there is a one customized computer, right? You can see all the LED lights and colorful things. That is what? Customized. Clear? Yes. Shall we go to the next word? Yes, let's go. What is that? Blender. What is the meaning of Blender? See here. Blender is a free and open source 3D computer graphics software tool set used for creating animated films, visual effects. That means Blender is a name of a graphic program, or you can say graphic software, કે જેના થ્રુ આપણે animated films અને visual effect આપી શકીએ, right? Okay, as here you can see it's a one screenshot of that program, right, where you can give a different effect to the pictures, right? You can also give a visual effect. Yes, I hope you have understood till here. Yes, so that was our vocabulary words for this chapter. Okay, thank you. So now, as you have completed seeing the vocabulary words, right, we are ending our session. But before we end the session, I want to ask you that I hope you have enjoyed this session. Yes or no? Yes? Okay. Now, if you have any query regarding vocabulary words, please go through this video again. We will meet in the next session and we will start the explanation of this chapter. Right? So till that time, please stay at home, stay safe. Bye bye.